Hello, I am Aditya. I failed in every stage of life. First, I failed PUC. Then, after that, I joined diploma. Then, I passed easily. And now I am here unable to show my face to you guys because I don't feel confident enough in my life to do what I'm capable of. And today I'm here just to not just that to monetize my channel to gain some money, but I'm doing this randomly so that I gain some mental strength and I explore myself to begin new opportunities in life so that I can be at least mentally stable. Let me explain you guys what I am planning at this moment. So this is my whiteboard. I prepared this from around 3 days. As a person who is born in a middle class family, whose father goes to a formal work and whose mother is just a housewife, and I hope this is the most probable guess a person would have made if he had failed and then tried to pursue something in life, because the next step he might not fail. As I hope the three paths which we may take now, I guess being in a middle class, there is a possibility that we might still keep studying after 22 years. This is the greatest advantage I have seen till now. Uh, the happier moment in middle class family. So the first one I believe is to continue study after you fail, and another thing is that we may go to a formal job, and then as we have some elastic, we have some extra fuel left in our life. We can also achieve entrepreneurship. And let's start. The first thing, let us come steadily. So the first thing is the continuing the study phase. And as we know, in the study phase, uh, as our mind always thinks of living a good life, that is having a appreciable amount of money so that we can gain dignity in the current society, and then we can live prosperous. So let us explore what I have researched, and I have mark listed some. So let's start from the beginning. The first I intend to mention is the data science. So this is the data science. So the first might be the data science. The career path may be different. First, I got to know data science as by some random YouTube videos, and then I started researching on web. Then I got to know IITM data. IITM is organizing a online data science degree online itself. So I got to know this from my friend, and then another YouTube channel also I got to know. So that is Kagle. So let's focus on data science only. So there might be a lot of steps for pursuing data science. The things I prefer is IITM and Kagle, because the IITM, it's an online degree, but you have to pay the upfront fees, which is not a crime, I hope, but that was not possible for me to complete the course because let me be straightforward. I actually joined job around a year back, and I really worked hard in a company called XYZ. I don't want to mention them. Uh, then after earning the hard money, I invested in ATM foundation course. That is the qualifiers. That's 3,000. And then the first attempt I failed. I could not clear their qualifiers, and the second time I cleared the qualifiers by copying the next guy. But then also I tried to prepare for the first year first sem, but the hectic course curriculum could not suit my mind, so I dropped out of it. They mentioned that the fees return will not happen, but as to my fate, I because the hard earned money, I actually got the fees back. I would like to say how also. That is, I requested them to refund my amount as my brother was held in an accident, and I should be with him to look after him, so that uh, the money which I had paid would have come back, I hope. And thank God and thank IITM, the money was back. But then after inquiring means I called a random person which I met on the qualifiers day. What he told was he was an IISc student. As we know, the IISc student will be a good matured mind, but he could not also take the course curriculum to his mind also. So I thought it was a trap. So therefore here it is written trap, and it was not practical. Then I tried studying in YouTube study materials. Then I know the website Kaggle, which a lot of data scientists today, the self-taught one, are learning from. This is a video lecturer, and this we have to learn from ourselves. That's the textual studying. And after as my mind was not in a stable condition, I could not do both of it, which is an again failure. And then after some research, I got Google Data Science Data Analyst course from Coursera. I thought I can do this, but as we know, the hard-earned money I was not able to fully spare on educational courses. But as the formal societal mentality, I thought the certificates will carry some value. So I got financial aid from Coursera. Uh, by that also I could not complete, as it took 15 days for the approval. I thought initially the first approval would have been enough to complete data analyst certification, professional certificate. But then after exploring the first course, there is another eight courses more. I don't know I will complete or not, but I will try to complete it. I had applied for every financial aid, the 8 courses, but one was unsuccessful. But I would like to pay also. I would like to complete the course. And the second one I explored is the full stack development, which is from Masai. I thought Masai there was no upfront fees. Then after 3 years, we have to pay around 3.3 lakhs. It was a 8 month session, but I wrote here not meaningful because the upfront because I did not believe in. Initially, I believed in them, but then after some research on the Quora things. I could not get into the course. Uh, yes, I see the videos posted by them on the YouTube on their YouTube channel, but I could not. I think that might not be my path. I thought, therefore, I have written not meaningful. So let's explore the third thing, the blockchain development. This is the best thing I have researched till date. This can be completed by Udacity with some amount money, and we have to be very dedicated for this. I really hope anyone watching this might complete blockchain developer course, because it's the future. I believe someone from here who is viewing this might complete this. And the second and the fourth thing I want to mention is the option that government job. We might study for government job like ISRO or DRDO, etc., from books or the coaching centers which are available in around Bangalore. But as to my mentality, I think I love ISRO, but the pass percentages and the mentality of them, I think I did not suit their mentality. So I'm trying to drop that also. And the fifth thing I want to mention is the 3D modeling. You can learn 3D modeling from Titans of CNC. It's a website. They will teach you 3D modeling, and they will teach you 3D modeling, and they will prepare you for manufacturing side. As I have completed diploma in mechanical engineering, that would have been good, but I have written not interested here because I have literally kept a step in it. I try to do designing. Initially, I was interested, but as I dig deeper, what I thought was this was not the future, so I dropped that also. The sixth thing is the coding. You can learn coding from YouTube, and I want to mention here that many people are actually many people think of teaching their kids coding. I hope the creative minds would teach coding from YouTube itself. But I have seen the White Hat Junior coaching classes for kids. They are charging. It'll be okay. I think they might keep. They might take the business model from Coursera. Like they might give certificate for kids who are paying for them, and they might audit the course by not giving them the certificate, at least giving them access to learn. That would be a great option, I hope. And the seventh thing is the mechanical engineering, which can be done by Knight College, and which I have written in the end NI, that is not interested, because as I have completed mechanical engineering. Of course, I love mechanical, and from my childhood, I was repairing my bicycle, and I try to repair any household things which is broken. And I learned the skill from my dad, and I have done a 1 year apprenticeship from Bamel, where my dad is working. But after completing that, I thought I would fit in some company, and uh, as to him, the life would be like a straight road, which might not be so many hurdles, but I love to have hurdles and challenges in life. I think I did not find any great future in mechanical engineering, so I have written not interested. I love to I love to prepare CS, but as to my time, I could not go into a formal college and learn CS by now at present, because I'm aged 24 now. It's really not practical, so I thought of pursuing online. There is a great resource called OSSU, Open Source University. You can get it from GitHub, or if you type OSSU on Google, you will get to know the things. And the best thing is, the thing is totally open sourced, and you can get the links from their GitHub site. But the thing you want to do CS, you would have to love the thing, and you should dedicate time. And about this, I have already talked to you. So this is the sites, like when we do when we are doing certain things, we love to do something extra, because as a passion, we don't want to, uh, as Warren Buffett said, don't keep all your eggs in one basket. As the wise people say, we should also learn something extra, so that our mind believes we are not an idiot, at least. So the best things I got to know to do in the side meantime is that we can do trading. Actually, trading is the best thing, because we can earn money from our mind. We can learn trading. I'm from India, so I thought the best to learn trading was from Veracity by Zerodha, and they have prepared other materials also, like Veracity. I'll be exploring in some other videos about this. Then alongside, we can do crypto mining also. We can learn crypto mining from YouTube. And uh, actually, the third thing is the amazing thing. As today I am doing the YouTube video because of this itself. As I was exploring Kagle, this thing from an YouTuber called Tina, where she told about Skillshare. That is, by Skillshare, she learned YouTube videos. uh, and the best thing is that I really want to tell you that doing YouTube videos might not be only for money or some craze purpose. I would like to do the video because in the future, me, I want to know which idiotic thing I had did earlier. So I would recommend you guys to you to do some random videos. Not because you might be a good speaker nor a good teacher, because you will get some confidence out of it. You better do some videos. And I would like to mention here that please don't tell, please subscribe to my channel, nor hit the bell icon, all that shit, because every video that I watch in YouTube tell that. But do some random videos so that your brain thinks that you're doing something. And this is algo trading. This is the actually not the future, the present of trading. Actually, algo trading, that is algorithmic trading, that is in trading, nothing is rocket science. The thing is that let's be straightforward. That is, you will buy a product at rupees 40, and it is trading for around 50 in the market, and you buy at 40, so that you will get a profit of 10 rupees. This is the strategy, the basic strategy of trading. And I will explain trading what I know in the further videos. So let's not elaborate this. Uh, So let's end up this study thing. Let's go to the job perspective. The jobs which I have shortlisted is the first one, the private job. Not everybody can be a god to my understanding. So uh, everybody can't get government jobs. The next thing is that they can go for private jobs. The best thing I recommend is that go through LinkedIn. It will be very formal and it will be intuitive. The second thing, as you know, the government jobs. And the third thing I have mentioned here is startup. I have written relevant so that as to my career thing, I have written ultraviolet. Ultraviolet is a EV startup which they are doing sports bike in the EVs. That's a relevant I have written because it's a automobile thing. It relates to my career. So the fourth thing is the startup. Join the startups you liked. I have written here nuclei. Nuclei. Actually, what I know about nuclei is that nuclei is the fourth company of a entrepreneur who has already done three companies and sold that companies, and this is the very matured company. I would love to join, and here the NI is not interested. Here it is okay means okay, but I'm really not interested. Here I have written love because I love to join them, but I really don't know how to join them, and if I join also, what position I will get. I'm technically a mechanical person. I believe really I do not fit in any space with them, but if God is there, I might should fit in them. So therefore then I will get back to the data science or some CS degree, because I may land up in these startups like nuclei. Okay, let's talk about it later. The fifth thing I want to mention is engineering works. As I have completed apprenticeship, I have learned some basic skills in mechanical engineering. I hope in every career, also the best thing to do is only learn the basics and apply it well when you are working on an important project, because if we learn everything from book, it might be the practical case, but your mind will not understand. I have learnt welding and CNC, computerized numerical controls, but like I said, in book we cannot learn welding. We might learn how to weld and why to weld and at what temperature, etc. But the techniques we can't learn from any god also we can't learn. Only we keep hand in the welding torch, we can learn it, I believe. Then the next thing comes is the foreign job we can land on. Actually, there is a concept in Indian mindset, that is when a person goes to foreign, everyone thinks he is a god. Only the person who is working there will understand the family. He can't be with their loved ones, and where he would have grown up. He would miss the childhood things. But I'm not here to discourage anyone. It will be great to explore new heights, and there they might get good salaries and their lifestyle might be great. But at last, here I have written not interested. I got to know this from Instagram. There are some influencers who will give links, but I don't want to elaborate this. Okay. The next thing we can do is that small scale companies. That is, we might open a small scale company. As I have said, we are from middle class family. We might not run out of funds if our fathers or some family income is around okay stage. But it might not be a good thing to do as to me, because in this competitive world, the small scale industries, it's really hard to survive. Actually, I listened one thing while around the pandemic, that around 1500 small scale industrialists were suicided because of the pressure. Actually, no one can start a company totally from his money nor his mindset. Actually, it's a team, I believe. So, as we know, small scale companies means in our industry, like mechanical, he will not have the 100% funds, and he will like in that scenario, he will not give his pocket owned money to the workers, and he will make them work, and then he will take profits. I hope he would have some partners nor a bank giving him uh, funds to the small scale industries to boost them and give employment to the needed. So if you want me to speak on this, you can try contacting me. I don't intend to tell you drop the comments below so that I can explain. You know how to contact me. What I believe is that if a person wants something to get done, he will go to any extent that uh, I would like to say that if anything comes to his head, he will not hesitate to do anything beyond his possibilities. So here it is written, pressure employees, because in small scale companies, the main objective, what I believe, is the uh, capital retirement and profits, so as they will pressure the employees. So I really don't want to pressurize the employees, so I have written NI not interested. So the next thing I might do is the corporate job. I don't know really exactly the best path to pursue a corporate job. Like in my family, everyone pushed for a corporate job. I have written here TCS only for an example. Uh, we can get jobs in TCS by entering their competitive exams. I listened that TCS is hosting a open competitive exam for all colleges, which is a good step, because they believe, actually, in the past years they were conducting TCS competitive exams in selected colleges, and other colleges the students who I believe the talented ones might not getting the chance. And what I had listened from my friends is that if he did not get selected from their campus, he will not get any job. But at my mindset, I'm not interested in that also. Therefore, I'm written on not interested. Freelancing. Actually, freelancing is a good thing, but you need proper skills and monetizing capacity, and uh, understanding the freelance workers' life schedule. But I would like to learn, and it is okay. But this is my not main objective, so therefore I am written okay. Then the auditing comes. auditing. In our field, the quality people will go to the auditing thing. Actually, it's a hectic job, I would like to say, but in the hands-on thing, the auditing requires experience, which initially I was interested when I came to know, but now at present I would like to say one thing is that I would like to achieve new things, but I don't want to be another robot working. But I'm not criticizing other people who are working, but my mindset is like this. I just explain. So then comes designing. So designing, I mean 3D modeling itself. You can learn designing from AutoCAD, that is Fusion 360, or SolidWorks. You can learn from YouTube. But I would like to mention one thing is that you can learn Fusion 360. You can enter your student ID and get your free 1 year license, which is a great thing. Thank you, AutoCAD. uh, and then comes the entrepreneur phase. The first thing I mentioned is the orga form. Orga form is the main objective in my mind right now, which I have to prepare. So main objective, therefore I dropped in a small hard thing. And the second thing is that and the second thing I want to mention is the e-charge. I would like to tell one thing. We have to go with the flow, because at present I want to change the career path, because I want to be in the flow. I don't want to be irrelevant. I have written e-charge because at present or in the coming future, the future is electric. So there's a startup called eCharge, which they provide battery solutions. That is, we might swap our battery over their battery stations. So what I thought was, it was in Delhi, and I would like to give you guys another information. Uh, when you have really some motive mindset, please listen to podcasts. I prefer startup podcasts. So therefore what I thought was listening to the startup podcast. I wanted to try contacting the each recharge people, so that I can set up a small hub in Bangalore, which is near to my place.